Hello everyone and welcome back to Cook and Eat. And today we are going to make vanilla French toast. So let us start. Ingredients are 4 eggs, 1 packet of bread, 300 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 150 gram of sugar and 5 tablespoons of ghee. Now proceeding towards the recipe. For that, take a bowl and break 4 eggs in it. Now, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in it. Now just mix it once and then add 1 cup of sugar, that is 150 gram of sugar. And whisk them well. Now in it add 300 ml of milk. And whisk it nicely. Now once you've added all the milk, just mix it and keep it aside. Now take a pan and heat 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter in it. Now dip the bread slices into the egg mixture and toast it on the pan. If you want, you can also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder into the egg mixture. Now flip it off from one side and cook it until it is nice and golden in color. And repeat the same procedure for all the bread slices. Our vanilla French toast is ready to eat. Please tell us about the recipe in the comment. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.